perfectly round dimensional shape where every point on the surface is the same distance from the center. This distance is called the radius. Unlike cubes or cylinders, a sphere has no edges or corners, just one continuous curved surface. Common examples of spheres include balls, planets, and bubbles. Spheres are important in geometry, physics, and astronomy because of their symmetry and single yet unique shape.
A cylinder is a solid shape with two identical flat circular ends and one curved side. The circles are aligned directly above each other and connected by the curved surface, forming a tube-like structure. The height is the distance between the two bases, and the radius is the distance from the center of the base to its edge. Cylinders are found in many objects like batteries, cans, water pipes, and water bottles.
Let's talk about ergonomic and humble rectangle. Think about your phone, please. Keyboard, even your desk. They are rectangular, and that's not a coincidence. Rectangular maximizes unstable space and can easily grip a rectangular phone. Keyboard case are arranged in rectangular grids for optional finger placement. The rectangular offers a stable, easy-to-use platform. Its simple geometry makes it convenient to manufacture and design. It's efficient, functional, and comfortable. Ultimately, the rectangle simple can design makes it incredibly. It's efficiently functional and comfortable. Ultimately, the rectangle's simple design makes it incredibly ergonomic for many everyday objects. And that's all.
When it comes to design, circles are more than just shapes. They're smart, efficient, and user-friendly because they have no edges or corners. Circles allow for smooth, continuous motions. That's why wheels and buttons are often circularly. They fit naturally in the hand and move easily. In architecture and furniture, circular designs encourage fluid movement and save space. They're also visually calming and balanced, which enhances comfort and accessibility. Simply put, the circle isn't just beautiful, it's built for ease and convenience.
A cube is a three-dimensional geometric shape with 6 equal square faces, 12 equal edges, and 8 vertices. All the angles are right angles, and all the faces meet at 90 degrees. It's a type of rectangular prism, and it's highly symmetrical, making it a fundamental shape in geometry. Cubes are often seen in everyday life, like dice or building blocks. They're also important in mathematics and science for calculating volume and surface area.